At all times, humans need periods of tutelage to be adept. Accordingly, children require apprenticeship of home to fulfill adult performance. Obioraobiezemeditation. In the family, children derive tutorials in constructive existence. Proficiency of an instructor at any time is to a large extent dependent on the diverse span of his knowledge. This in turn implies that he had severally submitted himself to comprehensive arrays of developmental environments and situations. It is these extensive efforts at increasing his worth that ultimately defines his qualification. Accordingly, the environment of family as it exists in the home is an apt place of apprenticeship for the new humans. This continually comes up as compelling factor in demanding that potential parents shall necessarily be mature in body, mind, and spirit. The need to appreciate benefits of exploring new ideas and methods available in the larger society. Therefore, couples already in marriage as a matter of urgency need to view the home not just from their personal point of view alone. They shall in addition have a clear perception of the home as grooming field for their children. By this, all activities or distractions will take attention from the home, irrespective of material advantages available. Obioraobiezemeditation.